Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the default calling option to the SIM if you're having to SIM on your Samsung mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. In the Samsung mobile, how to choose the default call option. For an example, just if you're just typing any number, just going to call, it should be defaultly use the SIM card 1 or SIM card 2. You can just select that. So by using some setting on your Samsung mobile. For that, first of all, go inside the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you have this option called connection on the top. Then click on this. After clicking on the connection option, you have the lot of them option, and here a particular option called SIM manager. Click on this. After clicking on the SIM manager, you have an option called preferred SIM. So here in the preferred SIM, you have the option called for call. So here I just choose as ask always. So while just calling, I will show the two SIM card and I will choose which I just needed. For an example, if you just need to only you use the SIM 1 for the call and SIM 2 for the data, you can just choose a SIM 1 to the preferred SIM for the calling. So it will only shows the SIM 1 if you directly call with the SIM card 1. So this is how you just select a preferred SIM for calling on your Samsung mobile or any Samsung mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.